Guys, my husband just called, and oh god, he's so tired. It's just he came home last night very late, like it's 12 o'clock. He got home 12 o'clock, and it's time to watch April Justin TV. I'm so excited to see their vlog. They transferred to a new house. Just waiting for the cab right now. It's windy outside and it's very cold and freezing. You know, cab is all, it takes forever here to get in here. Especially this kind of weather, you know, the cab is always takes more time to get here because too many customers calling. Especially it's winter, yeah, and especially if it's raining. But the rain stopped already since this morning. This morning it raining, but it's not hard, but it's ugly, yeah. So you guys, I'm going out. I'm gonna pick her up. She called. It's very late already. It's already like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and she just called. So let's see how long it takes this cab to get in here. Good morning. I'm back with vlogging. I don't vlog lately because my husband's not home. I mean, today too, he's not gonna be home. We're just dropping his mother off, and it's really nothing to show. JJ, it's pretty boring.
Pretty much.
Go over there, that Marshall Home Goods. They have a nice stuff. And right here, we just dropped this thing in FedEx office. My husband's boxes. So yeah, what does that mean? Bud Morgan. Alarm cue. Warning protected by Bud Morgan. So covering my nose. I really like this, guys. You can see me now. Now it's winter. Now that it's winter, you can see me.
It's freaking winter.
I don't care. I'm just gonna say winter because it's cold.
It's not.
You will keep hearing. You can keep seeing this jacket. This is now one of my favorite.
You'll know when it's winter. You won't be able to see her at all through all the clothes she'd be wearing.
I love this one. It's really comfortable. My husband is in a hurry. He's going to work and it's already 10 o'clock. Plus he's dropping his niece to the airport to go to somewhere. And yeah, it's not really that far from his work, so not really that bad. But the bad thing about it is traffic. That's it.
Oh, the bad thing about New York.
Oops. Cat is just keep crying, guys. to start throwing stuff out. Because look, he's crying and just staring at the treats. Look. Stay there. Where is all his treats? Right there? And he sit there and cries. Yeah. Now I'm alone. And while I'm alone, I was trying to fix everything. Make everything presentable again, which is trying my best here, because that's not gonna happen, you know, while they're not here. So I'm talking to my friend Beth. Hi Beth, if you're watching. You know, same old same shit. Same. No more changes. Same old bullshit. Okay. I'll see you later, guys. I'm just gonna do something on my laptop and watch the show that I watch. Okay. It's ready to go. Not really yet. It's just if somebody. Anyway, guys. I just got my phone upstairs. I did charge you because this phone, I have the since yesterday. This phone is always low bat. I get up yesterday morning. I get up early in the morning. I just unplugged this phone from the charger, and what happened is when I came down here while I'm having my breakfast yesterday, the battery is kept changing to 99 to 60, 30. It's very fast, like keep changing. I keep looking what the heck's going on with my battery. Hi guys, it's already late. It's already 2 o'clock something. I'm outside right now waiting for the cab. It's 2 o'clock. She's supposedly out at 1:30, and I don't know why she doesn't call my phone. She have my number. She called my sister-in-law to her work. Why she can't contact the house, I don't know what's going on with the phone in the house. And the thing is, right now it's already late, and she have my number. There's something wrong. Why she doesn't call my phone? You know, that's what she been doing before. She keep calling my phone, not the house. So why now suddenly she bother her daughter at work? I mean, it's not bothering her, but what I'm trying to say is contact my direct. That it's easier and quicker. You don't have to pass call there. Anyway, that's all the drama here. So right now I'm just waiting for the cab. There's something wrong. It really is something wrong. When my sister-in-law called me, she said my mother-in-law can't contact, can't contact the phone inside the house. It says it's going to the voice machine. That it's something going on. And then when she hung up, I look at it, the phone is used. The phone, it says in use, so but no one is using. Who is the frick is using the phone? There's a freaking ghost in the house. I'm watching Pretty Little Liars, and I forgot which episode and what season am I. So now I have to go to season 1 to look which one, or the season 2. So right now I'm watching the season 2, and I don't know what episode I am. That I will try to. Oh yeah, I seen this part already, so I'm gonna go. And I'm having some little snacks in here. I'll show you guys. Clementines and chips. I see this part already, so let's go back. Look at guys who's with me right now. My cat.
Listen, my older cousins and I are meeting later at a club for some lunch.
Hi guys, just finished our dinner. Just like what I said before, we're having a leftover. And right now I put my laptop in front of me. I have my laptop up here, and I'm watching my show because it's better and while watching my show. Oh shit. I dropped you again.
You know, nobody starts out to hurt
Good
anybody.
night, guys.
No. And they don't.
I'm still
Hey, you
watching,
should
but
come back over. We'll finish that
I think
dinner
I'm going up
and that
soon,
scotch.
so I would
I
like
love
to
it.
say goodnight to
All right,
you,
I'll talk to
and
y'all.
I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye, guys. Good night.